Fiddler Joe from Kokomo took lessons on a piccolo. But after 7 years or so, he could play a violin.
Hi guys, today I will teach you how to make Korean traditional food corn cheese. Ingredients: mayonnaise, mozzarella cheese, canned 옥수수, and sugar. First, open the canned 옥수수 and throw corn's tears and bingle oil and drop corn and make pizza. Next, mayonnaise bingle. More you do it, you will get bad health. But tasty it better. One has to give up. Bingle. When start magma, make black hole. Here, drop sugar commando. Drop it. Keep dropping. This is also like the mayonnaise. The more you do it, you will get bad health. But you can get happy life. Next, mozzarella cheese. I'm already give up my health. I will put all. Close it now. You just wait 3-5 minutes. But it is so bored. You should play with the dog. Turn off fire when it starts to magma. Parsley drop finish. Why are you dropping this? Just there is something. Now complete. Eat half and nice sleep.